amiga, sisis, beshies, momshies, papshies. Hi po sa inyong lahat. It's me again, Kyra, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this very easy, delicious fried mini donuts recipe. So guys, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell dahil every week ako mag-a-upload ng bagong videos. So let's start making our donuts. Our first ingredient is the flour, baking powder, and yogurt. It's sticky talaga siya, guys. Hindi siya magiging smooth. And that's okay. Don't panic. So we're done na, and now we're ready for cooking. Ilagay na natin ang donuts sa container na may sugar. And then, shake mo lang hanggang ma-coat ang donuts ng sugar. So now we're going to make our glaze. I-mix lang po natin yung powdered sugar with melted butter, warm milk, and vanilla. Ilagay na natin yung donut sa glaze. Mix lang natin hanggang ma-coat siya. Para sa ating choco glaze, yung natirang glaze, lagyan lang natin ng choco powder. Kayo na bahala sa dami ng chocolate powder na gagamitin nyo. So, ito na guys ang finished product natin, ang super sarap mini donut balls. So guys, if you have any suggestions or challenges na gustong ipagawa sa akin, kahit ano pa yan, basta related lang sa food, just post a comment below.